Welcome to our channel. If you want to unlock a secret app on your Firestick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your Firestick and navigate to the search function. Search for downloader and install it. Step 2. Open the downloader app and click the URL bar at the center of the screen. Step 3. Type in the downloader code that unlocks the secret Firestick app and click Go. Step 4. Wait as the APK file downloads to your device. Watch the progress bar for completion. Step 5. Once downloaded, you'll see an installation prompt. Click Install to start the installation. Step 6. After installation finishes, click Done. You may delete the APK file to save storage. Step 7. Go to your Firestick home screen and find the secret app in your applications list. Step 8. Launch the app and discover exclusive content not available through regular channels. Access hidden features, special streaming options, and premium content that few users know about. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.